Very good morning, students. Today, one very important point we are going to learn, that is other positional averages. We have studied median. Median divides the data exactly into two parts. Now, we are going to learn quartiles, deciles and percentiles today. Now, from word only it must be clear. Quartile, you are knowing watch. In watch we say quarter to, quarter past. Means there are 12 numbers and it is divided into 4 parts, 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay. So similar way here, when data is divided into 4 parts but by 3 different numbers, then that is called quartile. Now here, for understanding I have taken suppose 100 digit. Now there are 3 numbers Q1, Q2 and Q3 which divides 100 into 4 equal parts. So this Q1 divides the data in first 25%. Means this 25% numbers are less than or equal to Q1. Now this number, that is Q2, divides the data into 2 equal parts. This side 50% and this side 50%. Now as it is dividing data into 2 equal parts, so this is also said median. So Q2 and median is same. Now observe Q3. Q3 means 75%. So this side 75 and this side it is 25. So Q3 divides the data into the 75% and 25%, and this last one is 100. So quartile means to divide the data into 4 equal parts by 3 different numbers known as Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now decile. Decile means decimal. Decimal you know, to divide into 10 equal parts. Here I have written D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8 and D9. So there are 9 numbers which divides the data into 10 equal parts. Now this D1 means 10%, D2 means 20%, D3 means 30%, and so on. So if we want to mark here, we can say it is Q1 because D 2.5. So it is Q1. It is not required, just I have explained you. Now D5 means this side it is 50% and this side it is 50%. So D5, decile 5 is also said quartile 2 or median. Similar way here, remaining 5 are there. That is D6, D7, D8, D9 and last one is 100. So decile means to divide any data into 10 parts by 9 different numbers. Now similar way percentile. Percentile you know, percentage is always on 100. So to divide the data in 100 parts is called percentile. Now I have written here P25. P25 means this much is 25%. But if we want to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we can write. So percentile starts from P1 till P99. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 till P99. So there are 99 numbers. Each one is called percentile, like P1, P2, P3 and so on. Now here P25, so number P25 is also said Q1 because Q1 is also 25% and P1 also is 25%. Similar way, P50 is in center. So P50 is also said Q2 or D5 or median. This all is same only. Q3 is P75, means 75%. Here also Q3 was 75. And last one is 100. So in short, quartile means to divide the data into 4 parts, decile 10 parts and percentile is 100 parts. Now let us see conclusion of this, that D1 is equal to P10. D1 is 10%, P10 means 10%, same way D2 is P20, D3 is P30, D4 is P40 and so on. Now Q1 quartile 1 is 25% and P25 is also 25%. So Q1 is equal to P25. Q2 is equal to P50 is equal to D5, or you can also say median, and Q3 is P75. Now formula to find quartile, decile and percentile. Formula for quartile, decile and percentile of raw and discrete frequency distribution. Formula is same, n plus 1 by, but whenever we want to find quartile we know 4 parts. So formula will be j into n plus 1 by 4, where j stands for, if you want to find Q1, here j will be 1. If you want to find Q2, here j will be 2. If you want to find Q3, here j will be 3. Similar way, dj means decile, jth quartile. Now here dj formula will be j into n plus 1, as it is d, so divide by 10. 4 when we want to find quartile, 10 when we want to find decile. So for decile we have a formula n plus 1 by 4th observation into j. So if you want to find D3, then your formula will be 3 into n plus 1 by 10. Here I have written 4 dash 10 oblique 100, means quartile then 4 will come, decile then 10 will come, percentile then 100 will come. Now suppose if we want to find Pj, percentile j, suppose 23, P23, then formula will be 23 into n plus 1 upon 100, because we want to find percentile. So if Qj we want to find, then 4 will come in denominator. If dj we want to find, then 10 will come in denominator, and if pj we want to find, then 100 will come in denominator.